Hi, this is the Suns, and we invented the piano.
Like we did. Wake up to the sound of silence, echoes in the past of the room. Her side of the bed is empty, and it don't make any sense to me. I keep asking my questions. Was it something I did or didn't see? But every memory is a lesson, and all that left to me is her perfume. Oh, why did she leave? Why'd she go? Or is it something I didn't show? How do I love her? How did she get me? Let me searching for where I don't even know what is happening. The answer's gonna hide where the shadows grow. I don't even know where to go. She left me last week in the snow. All I remember, all night whispers, promise we swore to keep. Now I'm haunted by her laughter in the corners of my sleep. Keep replaying moments, trying to find the missing key.
Was it words unspoken? Or was this always meant to be? We will never know. Why did she leave me? Why did she go? Was it something I did or didn't show? My love was here, but now he's gone. Let me go searching for where I went wrong. Why did she leave? Why did she go? The answers will always grow. Maybe time will heal these wounds. The scars will stay. I'll keep looking for my reasons as the night's turning to day. And I found her hidden letter.
It was buried in the night. She didn't even take it when she left me in the dark without a fight. She didn't leave, didn't she go? It was not something I did not show. She got kidnapped by a big black man who was chasing her from afar. I don't even know why I'm here after she left me. Oh, where did she go?
Where did she go?
Where did she go?
Where did she go?
I said, where'd she go? I don't even know.
I don't know why she left me so. She ain't coming back anytime soon. She left me for another dude. She left a Marcus, she left a Luke, she left a Caden, she left a Ethan's. I don't even understand it. They're all big as bodies. She left a Daniel, she left a Patrick, she left a Ashton, she left a me. I don't even know what else to say. She left everybody heartbroken. I don't even understand it.
I don't even understand it.
Where did she go?
Where did she
I
go?
don't even know.
We don't even know.
Thank you.
Hi, Mom!